What's up, everybody? It's your boy Benny here at STPDIESEL, and here we go again with another quick episode of some shop action. And today we're going to talk about a little LML Duramax that we have in the shop getting a full fuel system repair. If you don't know, you're fixing to be put on game. These LML Duramaxes 2011 to 2016 have CP4 failures, and they contaminate the entire fuel system. They're very delicate to water, and obviously water in a diesel fuel building rust. No fuel system in the world likes rust. So let's go check out what the truck looks like and what exactly we're doing to repair the truck and to also prevent it as much as possible from happening again. So here is our Duramax right here. Our man Pete is actually the one working on this truck. I don't know where he's at. He's probably running around doing other things at the moment, but he did us the favor and laid out all of our parts here for us to show you guys. And if you don't know, these are our fuel rails. This is one side of the rail. This is the other side of the rail. It has your fuel rail pressure sensor, and it has got your regulator. If you do not know what this regulator consists of, this regulator, in the most basic term that I can put it, is your thumb at the tip of a water hose to create more pressure on the opposite side to reach across your yard. That is exactly what that regulator does. It opens and closes to increase pressure and to take away pressure based on demand. So that's why one of the reasons why these things are so prone to failure is whenever your old CP4 comes apart, this is the old part that we took off, your CP4, when this thing starts to come apart, not only does it clog the injectors and whatnot, but it also causes this regulator to stick. And that's when you start getting low pressure lights and losing power and whatnot. And that's if you're lucky, because sometimes they just blow up and your shit out of luck, it just dies. On your high pressure pump, going back to this, you have the FCA, which this right here, well, this is more of the volume control valve. It controls flow. This will also get clogged and cause a bunch of issues. What we're gonna be replacing this faulty CP4 pump is this CP3 pump from SNS Diesel. These guys really know what they're doing. They do an amazing job with all of their products. Everything is high quality and their warranty is great as well. So if you ever do have any issues, they are always there to answer the call for you. This thing does come with a conversion kit. It's somewhere around here as well. I don't know where it's at exactly. The other thing, apart from replacing a new set of injectors and the pump, comes the new fuel rails. As you can tell, we shop directly from Bosch, so we're able to save you money. Instead of buying or paying those pesky dealership prices, we can order directly and save you some money while we're doing this job and still hold up our 1-year unlimited mile warranty here with us. Apart from this, now we're replacing all the fuel system on this Duramax. We're retrofitting it to the CP3 pump, which is awesome. But now what can we do to help filter out the fuel and feed this pump? This pump wants to eat. It doesn't want to rely on the base fuel system. It wants more fuel. Not only that, it wants to be protected. And for that, we trust our other good friends at FASS Fuel System right here. These guys have been doing it for a very long time. These guys here, they really know what they're doing. Again, they stand by their product. They give us good service. And if you ever have any issues, they're always willing to answer the call as well. So opening up the box, it comes with just about everything we need for the installation, line, fittings, whatnot. Let's see what's underneath this. More covers. The pump is somewhere in here. Let's see. Boom, there it is right there. That's what it would look like fresh out the box. Now, apart from this, we typically wrap all of our lines with protective loom, just so that we don't have rubber rubbing on on the frame or anything like that. So we make it look real nice and neat. And yes, once we're done with this bad boy right here, she's gonna come out and she's gonna be a totally different truck. Better throttle response, more power for the client. Not only that, but the client is gonna have peace of mind, and you cannot put a dollar figure on peace of mind. Once you trust that your truck is operating at optimum level and she's gonna respond to whatever you throw at her, there's no better feeling. Thank you guys again for all the love and support. We love all the messages. We love all the calls. If you guys have any questions, feel free to hit us up on social media or give us a call at the office. Thank you guys. Peace. they're doing. And you motherfucker. All right, let's